It's wonderful to have you with me today in this guided meditation. It's going to be a deep experience because every meditation I teach is slightly different. Depends on what I want to achieve. And so this particular meditation, which is to remind you of your courage and your power, it has specific breathing techniques which positively affect the brain. So I'd like you to really get into them so you get the maximum out of this experience. And then we have a powerful jungle visualization. Now, something about this visualization will stick in your mind. And this is what I want you to recall when you feel your power battery running low. So, if you're feeling comfortable, let's begin by taking a few deep breaths. We're going to inhale through the nose for a count of 3. Then we're going to exhale through the mouth for a count of 3. The exhale is kind of a let go breath. So let's just try a few together, shall we? That was perfect. So you're going to keep that up. And now I'm going to ask you in a minute to close your eyes and to keep them closed until I ask you to open them again. This way you'll be able to really immerse yourself in this meditation and get the most out of it. So if you'd like to now, I'd like you to close your eyes and just begin to relax into your being. I want you to imagine there's a giant white feather that's just brushing out your aura from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. As I talk, keep up your breathing pattern. Inhale for 3, exhale for 3, and listen to the sound of my voice as we now venture into a jungle together. It is dense, thick, and foggy. In the far distance, you see a shadowy outline of a palace. That palace represents your tomorrow and future, and you know that when you reach it, you will be able to tackle anything. Since no palace to a journey is straightforward, however, you must first pass through a black wall that now springs up behind your eyes. That black wall represents your fears, insecurities, doubts, and anxiety that make you doubt you'll make it. Breathe all negative feelings into the wall. As you do, remember a challenge you overcame in the past that you doubted you would. What you face now is simply a new challenge, whether that means a change in career or out with an old partner or you living in another country. Feel comfortable in this change. Breathe courage and power into your wall. Feel it change from black to grey as a monster makes its presence known. This monster represents all that held you back in the past. So remember a time when you surprised yourself with your courage. Breathe into the monster's face until your courage dissolves the image. All that is left is your dark grey wall. Breathe into that and watch it change colour and fade to light grey. You're gathering strength on your journey, but this needs total self-belief to break through the wall. Gather the strength of a lion. Imagine yourself roar like a lion And as you do, see fire shoot out of its mouth as the flames burn out the fear, the panic and doubt that engulfed you. As your wall dissolves, the path to your palace becomes clear. Feel lightness all around you and know that in that space of light, you have everything within you to get to your palace. You are capable, inventive, courageous, and determined. Let's get these words into the brain to bring them to life with this sh, sh sound. Sh, sh, sh. Make the sound powerful to embed these qualities in your brain. Keep making the sound as you listen to my voice. Sh, 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 sh. You were born of stars. You are a star. There is no challenge you cannot rise to. You are the hero in your story. Move forwards with your sword. Nothing and no one can turn you back. You know what you want your tomorrow to be and refuse to let anything stop you. You see your palace shimmer, glow, and beckon you as you move towards it, knowing you will get there. Feel light glow around you. Feel yourself becoming light, surrounded by light, protected by light. Bring your hands to your heart and say, I am courage. I am power. I know the way. Let's have 3 more deep breaths and then you can open your eyes. So breathing again. Okay, open your eyes, warriors. Welcome back. Now, what I am going to do to keep you in the light is I'm going to sign some Reiki healing symbols on your third eye for protection, balance, love, self-love, and consciousness. As I sign them into your third eye, just keep smiling into my eyes. Just relax. Okay. You have now been initiated as a true warrior. I know you can get there. I believe in you. Trust yourself. And know that whenever you want to do this meditation with me again, I'll be here waiting. It's good to do it 3 times to embed these positive messages into your brain. For now, we will end with a word that means I salute the light in you. So please bring your hands here and we're going to say the word together. Namaste. Stay blessed.